So technically they shouldn't be tangled. Technically. Because nothing came out for it to twist, so it shouldn't. Just these here. And yep, the title is correct. I bought a BowFlex home workout gym system. Yeah, I did. And we're gonna put this thing together. I bought it used, local off of Facebook Marketplace, and I think I got a pretty good deal on it. It's a BowFlex Ultimate 2, and it's a discontinued model, but it's got all the bells and whistles from squat racks, lat pull down, preacher curls, everything. And take a look at it. So yeah, we got to drag this downstairs into my basement, and we're going to attempt to try to put this together. So the reason why I went with a BowFlex is, you know, I've been training with free weights for a long time, probably ever since I was a teenager, and I wanted to get something in our basement that didn't take up a lot of space and that can basically keep me toned, and you know, give my wife a workout as well. And we wanted to set up a home gym because we wanted to eliminate having to go to a gym, especially with the COVID situation, and the gyms are, you know, gyms are making you wear a mask when you work out, and as most of you guys know, it's very difficult to work out with a mask on your face and you can't breathe. So yeah, so I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to save space. I didn't want to have a bunch of weights laying around the floor. I wanted to be able to go there and work out every body part. This particular unit has over 300 pounds of tension rods, so it's more than enough, more than what I need. I'm not going to power lift anymore. I'm not going to bodybuild anymore. I just want to tone up, stay healthy, and you know, try to live a healthy life, and you know, take it from there. Okay, stay tuned. Let's get this thing going. Go. All right, so that was quite an ordeal. This is the day after, and I finally got the BowFlex together. We got it all together yesterday, and I mean, it took longer than expected, and only because all the cables were octopuside, and what that means is they were all tangled up, and that's in Jersey language. So they were all tangled up, and it took me a while to decipher how they go. And let's take a look. So it's actually a really nice unit. As you got up this morning, did a workout, did some buys and tries, and wanted to get familiar with changing all of these accessories. So you got accessories for the leg extension, leg press. You got the ab roller. You got a preacher curl here. Preacher curl mounts on to the leg extension. It gets tied up there, but let me show you the cables back here. It's hard to see, but I mean, we got cables all here. The way these pulleys had to go in, and you had to make sure they were on the right side, and make sure they didn't crisscross one another, the way these cables came off. So we have, you know, and then basically the tension rods are, and I have to tell you, I was always a free weight. I was always a free weight user, And I never really, I mean, I used to see these things advertised, and I thought they were like garbage, but I don't know. I think they've actually come a long way. The tension rods, I think I have about 300 pounds of tension, which I'm not going to use. I mean, I basically just put this here to get toned, kind of just stay in shape. I mean, like you guys know, I've been mountain biking, and winter's here, so we got snow on the ground, so I won't be able to ride for a little while until the snow starts to melt. And it's cold, but temperature-wise, I don't really care. I'll go out until, you know, my hands freeze. So we're gonna put together a small home gym in our basement. Like I said, want to stay away from the gyms with the whole COVID thing going on, and plus all the gyms require you to wear a mask when you work out, and who the hell wants to do that? So we're gonna get out. We just ordered a treadmill last night. We're gonna get a used one, but all the used ones we saw were like kind of garbage. They were cheap, so we went on Amazon. We picked one up. I'll leave a link to what we bought in this video. But I have to tell you, with this unit here, man. I mean, it does everything you need to do. I got a lat pull down. I got cables. I could do chest presses. I could do flies. I could do incline. This bench. Here, let me incline it. Nice little incline. So I'm going to do I'll do a weekly picture of my my results from using a BowFlex, and that'll probably be debuting in 3 months because I need time to train, work out, use it, and see how I like it. So stay tuned for that. And I'm sure I'll be releasing a few more videos way before that. So, all right, guys, I appreciate you joining. And please like, share, and subscribe, and leave comments. Like I said, if you want to see how certain attachments work, if you have any doubt on this machine, feel free to leave a comment, and I will do my best to do a demo on whatever you're looking for. Okay, see you guys later. Have a... Actually, it's the Sunday before Christmas, so I may not release a video this week. But if I don't, have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.